Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, especially if you are a fan of maple syrup, hockey, and all things Canada. That's right, we're going to show you how to draw the iconic flag of Canada. Before I dive into the artistic process, let's talk about why drawing the Canadian flag is not only fun, but also a fantastic way to appreciate the rich history and symbolism behind it. The flag of Canada, also known as the maple leaf, was adopted on February 15, 1965. Its simple yet powerful design features a stylized red maple leaf at the center, with two vertical red bars on the sides and the white square in the middle. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of drawing this iconic symbol. But first, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my creative tutorials. Alright, grab your pencil and let's start with the light sketch. Begin by drawing the two vertical red bars on either side of the canvas, leaving enough space in the center for the white square. Once you have the basic structure, it's time to bring in the star of the show, the maple leaf. Take your time with the curves and details to capture the essence of this national symbol. Now, let's add some depth to our drawing with shading. Use a slightly darker shade of red to create a sense of dimension, especially on the maple leaf. This will make your flag come to life. And there you have it, your very own Canadian flag masterpiece. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this tutorial is a great way to celebrate Canadian culture through your creative expression. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what other flags or symbols you'd like me to tackle next. Don't forget to share your creations with me on social media using my hashtag. I'd love to see your artistic spin on the maple leaf. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep those creative juices flowing. This is Tevain Hunter signing off.